Good morning. Got ELEV popping up. ELEV, I am 7 cents green on the day. I'm getting green, baby. I'm walking out. 7 cents. Calling it green day here. 7 cents. Man, this thing is making a good move. I like this. I like it. ELEV. We got no news on the day. Oh, man. No news on this. So ELEV moving up. Let's look at the daily. Oh, okay. The daily looks really good. So we have room. We got room on this. Maybe 6, mid 6s, maybe 7. I mean, we do got some room on it. We could see, I do hope that we do see some momentum. The thing about ELEV is there's 24 million shares outstanding. You can take a look at FinViz. Let's take a look at the FinViz. ELEV. 22 million share float. A little bit on the higher end. Not extremely high, not untradeable high. It's still a small float, but it's not like 2 million share float or 5 million share float. Could try to catch a dip. I want to see a little lower though. I do want to see it down here. Oh yeah, okay. Okay. Not bad. Not bad there. Quick 13 bucks. I'll take it. It's a nice solid green. It's a nice solid green right there. 13 bucks. Very nice. Very nice. Let's see if we get that another dip down here at 85. I'll take it. I could bump up the shares, but I just hate taking losses pre-market. There's nothing that stresses me out more. Come on, one more candle down, please. Please. No, it might pop here. I could try to get the pop back over 5. That'll be a little bit riskier though than a dip. Let's take it. Got a block of sellers at 503. I already got out for a 1 cent gain. And it's getting sold back down. Good thing I took my 1 cent gain. Staying green in the chop. Let's catch this dip here. Come on, 85. Oh my gosh. Give me an entry. I don't think it's going to give it to me. Now the next pivot is back over 5. You could try to take a break back over 5, but it's got to break this candle like immediately at 503. It's got to break 5 and go immediately up to 503. Because if it doesn't, it's coming right back down. Looks like it didn't even break 5 there. Just gotta hope there's buyers under here at 85. Do have higher day, previous high support. Sometimes pre-market though, like it's hard to trust pre-market because it takes a second for the buyers to come in. So you don't really know if the buyers are coming in yet, and then like you're kind of waiting around. And then if the buyers don't come in, then you're trying to chase the exits on the bids coming down, and then you take a bigger loss than you wanted to. That's why I don't like trading pre-market. I always feel like I'm chasing the bids down to get out of my position. And I take a bigger loss than I wanted to. The goal today for me is just if I can get small green today, I'll enjoy my weekend. I just don't want to have a blowout red day. That's the only thing I don't want to have after a great week so far. So we'll play the action. If the action is not there, I'm okay taking a small red day or small green day. This could be a curl back up for the break of 5. I would take it for 100 shares at 5 if it does test 5 again. I got to see green on the tape and the bids pushing it up. All right, let's take it. Break of 5. Come on. I got a small green on that. $10. I was in 300 shares. But look at like this breakout, like the bids push up to 503. I was taking some off. That's going to leave 100 to go to the high. But then the bids came back down to 5. And now I'm at break even. So it's like, you know what? I'm not going to let a green trade and turn into a red trade. So that's why I cut it for break even. You could have caught the break now at 504. I think this is going back up to the high. What a crappy trade. Oh. Oh man, that's embarrassing. Buys at 513, sells break even 5 seconds before the rip to 530. That's something you need to hold. It's okay. There'll be more opportunity at the open. Always got to remind myself if I ever miss a move like that or misplay a move, there's always another opportunity around the corner. Don't need to be chasing this now. Don't need to be trying to chase an extended move. You could buy this micro pullback for the next candle to make a new high. We did get high day volume. Dang it. I think we're going to get that next 1 minute candle and make a new high. $31. Sold at 31 there. I got in because I saw the ask getting chipped away. So I took a position as the bids were pushing up again. But again, my weak hands, my weak, fragile, brittle hands, taking my quick 6-cent win. Whatever. It's all good though. It's all good. We're staying green. We're trading in a time that my stats are not the best pre-market. I sling market orders. I don't sling limit orders. I feel like I'm always chasing on the ask or chasing on the bid. It's harder for me to manage my risk. So that's why it's like if I can get small green pre-market, that's a win for me, because I'm someone who trades market orders. I actually feel like I manage my risk better with market orders because I can get in and out faster. And if I miss a fill, pre-market, sometimes if I miss a fill, I'm chasing it and then it dumps on me, or I'm chasing it down. So, but I'll take it. I'm up 28 bucks. I'm up 28 bucks. We are green. We're green. Usually green pre-market is a great sign. Usually green pre-market is a terrific sign. It means we're going to have a beautiful day. So we're looking, wow, look at EFTR. EFTR. This is what we want to avoid. This is what we want to avoid today. We don't need to be getting caught in any of these things, chasing this. If I was trading it, I'd be chasing this all the way down. Chasing those bids all the way down. 120 to 80. That might spook the bulls today. That might spook them. 127 down to 80, 37% flush in just a few minutes. So we're going to make sure we're managing our risk. ELEV. This one, I don't see any news on it. I do not see any news on it. 22 million share float. 8 million shares in volume so far, up 72%. It's the only thing really moving significant right now. SFR is the leading gapper. But look at this. SFR is weak volume. It's consolidating under VWAP. ONVO or ONFO. ONFO could be a break of VWAP setup. This one might be an okay one to watch here. So, a trading higher after the company announced it completed development of a generative AI search tool. So, AI is the buzzword the past few weeks. AI is the buzzword. I think we could see a decent move on ONFO. It is kind of being controlled here by the shorts. Shorts kind of rode this down. But I think we could see a squeeze on it. You could catch the break of VWAP. Oh, crap. Ah, crap. You guys are just watching me embarrassing myself with that trade. I saw it break. It broke. And then got filled, and then there was still that ask on there, and the bid dropped down below. I thought it was weak. So now we're pushing up 188. I think ONFO looks pretty good, actually. ELEV might not do the best at the open because it's already had a big move, and it has a 22 million share float. ONFO has got a 5 million share float. Definitely looks better, and we have a news catalyst, and it says AI. So AI is the buzzword here today on ONFO. I think we'll see a move. But again, manage your risk. Gotta always manage your risk. Cut your losers. Nothing is ever guaranteed. Took a $1 loss there on ONFO. So I think this will base out here at the open, and we'll see that curl then for that break of 1.9. Depending on the strength on this breakout is going to determine whether or not this is going to reach the high. If it really breaks out, holds, breaks 2, and now we're up near 210, 215, then I think it'll look good for the high. But if we break 1.9 and this candle immediately flips red, then I am not sure. It really depends how that turns out on that false breakout. The volume fades, then it will likely just fade unless volume comes back in and curls back up. you know, there's always things to keep in consideration, especially trading something was trending underneath VWAP. You never know when shorts are just going to pounce on it and you're going to get caught in a huge flush. I feel like these are inherently more risky because of that backside. It's on the backside, and you're kind of betting for the backside to flip to a front side, which statistically it has a negative chance, versus trading something like this that's already on the front side and you're trying to ride the trend that's, you know, already been happening. So you're kind of trading with the momentum versus betting on momentum to flip. LABP. LABP hit the scanner. This one, it's a reverse stock split. So yeah, reverse stock splits are not good catalysts. They're usually bad catalysts. Usually people short reverse stock splits. The only reason they're reversing the stock split is because their company is so trash that it's under $1 for too long. It's a penny stock for too long, and they have to do a reverse split to maintain guidance with NASDAQ. ELEV 544. Another 9 EMA hold. Ooh, he broke out by 1 penny. We didn't immediately rip the 5.5. ONFO getting some volume here. Back over VWAP. This is usually a good sign. What's the high of this candle? 1.9. Catch the break at 1.9 maybe. See. Oh, I thought it was gonna break. Nope. I saw it chipping away and then I just stopped. Good thing I cut it. This is why we cut our losses. Now it's down to 178. I would have lost maybe about 8 cents a share. So my eyes are glued right here. I saw it chipping away and then it stopped. So I was a little bit too early. Mistimed it, but that's okay. Cut the loss. I mean, cut the loss on any sign of hesitation. That's what I do. If I'm trying to time a breakout, any hesitation, I'm out. My statistics say the longer I hold, the bigger the loss. So I try to keep my trades short and sweet. I'm timing dips and I'm timing breakouts, timing breaks of pivots. I'm going to keep an alert here. for, I'll keep an alert at 192. Because that might give me just a few seconds to get in before the break of 2, which is a nice key psychological level. Shorts would be squeezing out up into this level, and then for the break of that level would be a good play. Like a starter here for the break of 1.9 and then adding into the break of 2. That would be a good play at the open if we can see that. ELEV, usually these pre-market stocks that make a nice move pre-market, they usually fade at the open. They get real choppy at the open and they fade. So the next one that looks good would be ONFO. Oh, ONFO popping up here again. Ideally, I want to wait for the open for this, but we got 10 minutes. But if it's gonna go, it's gonna go. I'm gonna trade it. Crap, I didn't get filled on that last portion. We're gonna get a move up to 2. We might. No. Nope. Oh, it's fighting here. Come on. I'm gonna hold this for a little bit. I think it looks good here. Yeah. I'm gonna add into that. I wanna see, it's gotta hold this low though. I'm ready to cut it at, if it does come back down. But I wanna see that surge up to 2. Come on. It might not go. Oh no. Come on. Nope. Nope. Come on. I took half off just to manage my risk. I'll add back for the break in 195 if it does come up, or 194. It's like it doesn't give any price action. the heck is this? Oh my gosh, I'm still red on it. It's like it's not giving me any price action. It just moves. It just jumps. The bid just jumps from like 90 to 93. I wanted to see that immediate breakout. It had to break out right there, up to 2. That hesitation, I'm out. I'm outie. I do not, any hesitation, I'm out. That's how I manage my risk. Look at this. If I was still holding, I'd be down 10 cents on almost a $2 stock. That's like a 6% loss right there if I held that. I look at the level, I look at the ladder for hesitation. If it's strong, it should be continually chipping away at the ask. The number should be coming down as it's moving up. It should be chipping away. There should be green coming on the tape. Any sort of 3-4 seconds that it just stops. I'm either taking small gains or unwinding for a small loss to kind of manage my risk. If I still think it looks good, maybe I'll hold a little bit and then look to add back if I see strength again. ELEV still moving up. I think I might trade ELEV at the open. ONFO curling back up. I think I might trade ELEV at the open just for like volatility. You know, just catch the first dip, catch a quick dip on it, sell for a quick profit. So maybe something like that. That's if I would trade ELEV. But past few weeks, any like pre-market gappers that really made a nice move, they didn't really make another nice move at the open. How come? Oh yeah, this pre-market, these things don't go off, so I'll move it up to 195. Here we go. It's still close to the open. I think I'm just going to leave it alone. It's right at that area. It's right at that time that I don't like to trade. Right at like 9:28. Usually don't like to trade. Usually like to wait till 9:30. All right, good luck guys today. Stay green. Thanks for tuning in. Hit that thumbs up button. Also subscribe if you guys are a new viewer. I'll see you guys in the next video. Good luck. Manage your risk and the week strong.